at the right time. You'd be mine.
Yung pinakahuli ka lang nagawa natin kay Hilaria eh.
It's all that
Kailan mo, hindi natin pinasukan si Gidaria. Nag-ano tayo, na bowling. Province. Lahat yan, absent kay Gidaria. Nag-bowling tayo no, nag-walkout tayo kay Gidaria. Yun yung pinakahuli na winning na tayo nun eh. Nilayas,
Ba yung kumiko tayo?
pumunta tayo ng bowling. Lahat tayo.
Pera pa yung kumikot lang tayo ng wing.
Ayun, umikot tayo nun. Sinigit mo na natin siya. Oo.
Sir, wala yung pang-class
Tapos nag-bowling eh.
Baby, if I told you the right words, ooh, at the right time, you'd be mine. You'd be mine. You'd be mine.